What the hell?
Flood warning in effect from this evening until further notice. Minor flooding is forecast. The areas affected include North Mahern River near Lunenburg. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from this evening until further notice.
Damn.
Impacts at 14.0 feet. The bridge at Crimes Road, about 2 miles downstream, begins to flood.
Whoa.
Additional details. At 8:45 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 13.1 feet. Bankfull stage is 12.0 feet. Forecast. No forecast is available for this location.
Bruh.
Flood stage is 14.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 13.1 feet on February 6, 1964.
Damn.
www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Okay. I've never heard a bulletin like that before. That is the weirdest bulletin I think I've ever heard for a flood warning. They immediately got straight to the point. They never say that, bro. What?
The hazardous weather conditions.
Also, 1964? That's like a long time ago. What? Another one? Flash flood warning? What?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Brunswick County in south central Virginia.
What is happening?
Northwestern Liberty County in south central Virginia.
Let me get onto
Northeastern
my
Lunenburg County in south central Virginia.
sexy
Nottoway County in
freaking
south central
laptop.
Virginia.
Oh my
Until
goodness, look at
12:30
that.
a.m.
Okay, hold
At
on.
9:19 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area.
Hurry up!
Is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar and automated gauges.
Wow.
Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
It's like far away. How do we get this?
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Blackstone, Crewe, Victoria, Cambridge,
Look at all this.
Way, Fort Barfoot, Spainville, Wilsons, Dundas, Dermody Corner, Blackstone Airport, Portland, Irby, Patterson Store, Wellville, Murdoch's, North Wellville, Clay Store, Barrows Store, and Barrows. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Flood advisory now in effect until 11 p.m. this evening.
What?